Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your addition and intent. Windows 11 Home cannot host classic remote desktop without upgrade, while Pro can. Once done, choose Quick Assist for quick screen sharing, or plan to upgrade to Pro or use third-party tools for full RDP. Make sure you have admin credentials, the target PC's user account, and the remote desktop app downloaded if you'll initiate a connection. This step saves time and avoids wasted setup later. Now configure the actual access. If you upgraded to Pro, enable remote desktop in settings and allow users. This opens the RDP host. If you stayed with Home, open Quick Assist and generate the security code to share with the helper. For Internet RDP, assign a static LAN IP or use DDNS, then forward TCP port 3389 on your router and confirm Windows Firewall allows remote desktop. Make sure to finish, launch the Microsoft Remote Desktop Client, enter the host IP or DDNS name, then sign in with the allowed user account. You'll see the remote session after credentials validate. If using Quick Assist, paste the 6-digit code and accept the connection prompts to share or control the screen. And if things go wrong, check Windows Firewall rules, confirm port 3389 is forwarded, and verify the host actually runs Pro or an alternative remote server. Those 3 checks resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.